We have agreed that before any tariff goes through, there should be a deliberate discussion between the water service provider and our governors and even the public, so that they agreed on a certain tariff, because the water will never be free, because it gets into production. There is a cost of producing that water. There is a cost of getting the water nearer to the people, and therefore it's just a matter of agreeing in terms of that cost. What does that cost mean to our people?
We've also agreed that before any tariff is arrived at, there should be consultations both in the county and then also with the public, so that these things that affect, and this is where the Constitution of Kenya is very clear on, that before any decision is made by any level of government that affects the citizens have to be involved. And that is why the 2010 Constitution was passed, to ensure that there is participation of citizens in decision making.
Have a very important project called K-Wash, a project that has been negotiated through the ministry, and this project is being implemented in 19 counties, and the project is aimed to ensure that counties take responsibility. They take the initiative to initiate the projects, and when they initiate the projects and they succeed, then they are reimbursed. So it's a project, is called a project that is results based. You only get more after you have achieved.
Performance for results.
Yeah, performance for results. Yeah. So I can say that yes, we have some funding, but we need more to be able to distribute water to everything.